welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing this brown ombre glam style nail set. Right now I'm painting on this pink like nude color as the base. I haven't been recording voiceovers on my other videos. One, because this is actually so nerve-wracking. Like, I talk all day. I can talk about anything all day, but the second I have to sit here and then record myself talking, like, I don't know what to say. But I do want to record voiceovers because I feel like it makes a video a lot more like interesting to watch. I know some people don't really like all the talking, but me personally, like, I love putting on nail videos and then just watching people do nails. But then if I get distracted or I go start doing something, like, I listen to all the tips and the things that they talk about, and like it's just so much more entertaining to me. Another reason is the other two videos, I think actually only the last one I posted, I did edit a video, but then I just scrapped it because I have to work on keeping the nails in frame. And honestly, I was just not feeling it. Like, I still wanted to post the videos, so I wanted to get some content out there, and I want to show you guys how I'm making these nail sets. A lot of the nail sets that I've been doing, I'm trying to do with my creative freedom. Like, I really do like looking at inspo, but I really want to see what I can create. And even though there's so many beautiful nail sets out there, like, you can just go on Pinterest, like, you can go on Instagram, like, just search up nail art anywhere, on TikTok, and there's so many like gorgeous nail sets. I feel like I'm copying sometimes, and I don't want to feel like that, so I like to use my own creative freedom. This one I did use an inspo pick, but I completely changed out the colors, and I changed out the gems, the way that the gems were placed, and I kind of did my own creative thing with the glitter. So I do like posting tutorials for you guys, so that you can see how this nail set is made, and it kind of gives a little bit of me. It's not just like a recreation. So right now I'm just painting the second coat over top of both the colors. I wanted everything to be nice and not like opaque or anything. Really want to have a nice good solid base color down. This brown color is so cute. Like, I ordered a bunch of brown polishes, and then when I started unboxing them all, I was kind of like, girl, like, why did you get so many browns? Like, I have a lot of browns and a lot of different shades of nude, which I mean is good because nudes, like, they're just, you can use them for everything, and they look so nice with just all the colors. So I'm glad that I do have a lot of them. But like the browns, I was like, whoa, what are you doing with all these browns? Like, but this one I love, and I think I'm gonna try to create some really, I feel like I want to make like a cute teddy bear set with the brown. The brown just really seems like teddy bear, and maybe even like a cute like, oh, we could do like a cute like chocolate themed nail set for Valentine's Day. I'm super into the Valentine's Day nails right now. Like, I really want to just create so many Valentine sets, but at the same time, because I'm getting my website up and going and I want to get a lot of different types of sets posted in my catalog, I want to kind of stick to like the Valentine's theme, but also I really want to like get my style out there too. So like the glam, like the blinged out rhinestone, you know, really elegant, but also like, you know what I'm saying? Like that kind of style. I really want to get those posted as well. So that's why I did make this set today. So I'm doing the ombre right now. Honestly, like, it takes me a minute to do the ombre because I really want to make sure that it's like super nice and everything's blended really well together. So in the video, like, I think I only showed about two stages of it, but I actually did go over it like 5 times, and I just flash cured it and then would like ombre it again a little bit more with the sponge. I've tried before to ombre with the brush, but I find that it's like tedious. Like, it's a lot easier to ombre with the sponge. Like, if you've never tried it, I suggest it. Like, I do want to get bigger sponges because I feel like it'd be a lot easier to just layer the colors on the sponges and then ombre it like that. But right now I just have these like tiny, super little cute little square ones, and they work, they do the job, so I like that. I'm kind of ombreing like the glitter right now over top of the nails. So the middle nail and the pinky nail, I just caked it in the glitter. Like, I knew that I was covering the middle one in rhinestones anyways. And for the ombre nails, I kind of ombreed the glitter down. I really like the effect that it gave, and I like that this glitter was tinted a little bit. Like it had a bit of like a nude, like champagne color tint to it, so it like really fit in well with the colors that I chose for this nail set. So there, the glitter's all ombre on. Now I'm just gonna go and do a top coat. This really brings out like the ombre, and like all the little sparkles just light right up. It's so pretty when you put the top coat on. And this top coat is a super shiny top coat. And I love that. Like, if it's not super shiny, it's matte for me. As you can see, it's just coming together so nice. That shine is just so beautiful. I do speed up these videos pretty fast, so I know that my application looks a little bit choppy. I do still want to practice just kind of doing like the longer strokes. I noticed that I like to do like short strokes with the brush. See here, I'm doing like the nice longer strokes. Like I gotta remember that is I can just do that. Like I don't have to be so perfect about how the like nail polish is applying onto the nail because it will self-level. So now I'm applying the rhinestones. I always brush off the extra glue just because I don't want it to build up too much. And I do always go back in and seal off all the edges of the rhinestones just because I have a really long, thick, curly Italian hair. All my Italians out there, you know how the curls be curling. And I hate when like I used to buy nails like online, just cheap nails, like even from like Walmart and stuff. Like I'm in Canada, like Walmart. I think Walmart's in the States. I don't even know, but anyways, so like I would buy my nails from there and like they wouldn't seal off the edges of like the gems. So I would get so irritated and like I wouldn't be touching my hair. I hated showering. Like it was just so frustrating because it would just get like stuck and then they would rip off and then I would have no gemstone and it would be like this huge empty like hole on the nail. Oh, and then I would just take them off. So like me, I make sure that my gems are secured in place and ain't nobody's hair getting stuck up under them because I love my blinged out nails. I love the way blinged out nails look on other people, like, and I am not gonna let hair stop anybody from wearing beautiful blinged out nails. So I do wipe all of the gel from the edges, like the glue from the edges, just so that I can go back in after and make sure that I seal it in properly without leaving like a big thick edge. Here I'm filling in with some little tiny rhinestones, just kind of bring everything together, make it all look really nice. I do adjust it quite a bit because it slides around. This glue, it's the Marquette rhinestone glue. It does cure in the lamp, in the UV lamp. So when you're applying the gems, especially like you can see I tilt the nails quite a bit. Like I need to remember to keep them like more flat because I know that like gravity is not on my side when I'm doing this. But it does move around quite a bit, so I like to readjust it and everything. And then as soon as I have it like right where I want it, I throw it right in the lamp, like right away, so that it can cure. It's nice because like you can, if you like don't have a rhinestone like layout in your head already and you're kind of just like putting them on and then like deciding as you go, I like this glue because you can like take things off. Like so many times I've put rhinestones together and I've done like this layout and then I just took them all off. Like I took them all off and I was like, no, you know, and like you have that opportunity, like you have that option with this glue. Whereas like if you get some of the other glue where it's more like super fast drying, like super glue kind of thing, as soon as you put the rhinestones down, like that's it, that's all, you know. And if you don't like the way the nails end up looking, you have to redo them, or you just kind of got to stick with it. And I don't like that. So I really like this glue. I haven't had any gems fall off and I'm pretty rough with my nails. Like I have 3 kids, I'm a mom, and I'm buckling in car seats, like I'm playing with toys, like I'm doing dishes every day, like multiple times a day. I'm doing laundry, like I'm doing all the mom things, and my gems don't fall off. Like, so I don't know if it's the application process that I do, like making sure that like I have a lot of glue underneath, like pressing it down, making sure it's really flush with the nail. and like securing it in after, like going around all the edges and everything. But I don't lose any gems, so right here, I'm gonna go and just top coat everything again. I did top coat it earlier, but I like to do a second one once I have the gems on. Just again to seal it all in, but also just to give it like that another like nice shiny coat. Also, I find it helps to blend in like all of the edges from the rhinestone glue when I've gone around and like locked all the gems in. Just makes everything like look super nice and smooth and shiny. I love the way that these turned out. I think they're super cute. Like I love the big rhinestone bling and then, you know, having like the nice like more quiet empty nails next to it really show off like the sparkle in the ombre. Really on a flash, you can see how much they shine. If you like this nail set and you like this tutorial, make sure to check out my other videos, and I will be posting a lot more nail sets and nail tutorials for you all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.